Good morning, friends. You are welcome. Okay. Today we have new chapter of socio-linguistic language variation. If you like my channel, please subscribe it. And if you like my video, please give it like. Okay. What are the socio-linguistic goals? Identify aspects of socio-economic factors in language variation. Next goal is identify aspects of gender and ethnicity as factors in language variation. Next goal is to describe how shifts in speech context cause changes in speaking styles. Next one is list the reasons why standard national dialects are problematic prepositions. Okay. What is sociolinguistics? Sociolinguistics is the study of interrelationships between language and social structure, centrally concerned with how language varies. That means at single point in time and changes over time according to how people in society use it. That's called sociolinguistic. That means in what way language is used in different types of society, different classes of society. Language, vice versa, dialect, language variation in different sub areas. That means their language varies in different areas like as phonology, syntax, etc. That means same language is spoken in different region by different people differently. That means their pronunciation, the grammar, everything is different. Variation conditioned by different factors. It may be region, socioeconomic structure, gender, age, language and cultural identities, attitudes, and other things also. We are going to learn about linguistic community. Language. Language has three dialect. Dialect 1, dialect 2, dialect 3. Dialect 2, that means dialect 2 has another three types. That means idiolect, that means individual dialect. Then idiolect 2 and idiolect 3, that means individual dialects are of three types. Dialect 1, that means social dialect, okay, socio dialect. And dialect 3, that means regional dialect. What are the dialects? That means linguist definition. Mutually intelligible varieties. For example, English spoken in Seattle, English spoken in London or UK is different from each other. That's called dialect. Now, dialects of same language, W Germanic English language spoken in Seattle and West Germanic Dutch spoken in Amsterdam. It's very different. What are the sources of confusion redialect? Politically distinct plus linguistically distinct. 200 plus countries, vice versa. 600, 6,000 plus languages. Chinese, language spoken in same country, mislabeled dialects. Spoken in different countries, mislabeled languages. Czech, Slovak, Serbian, Croatian, Norwegian, Swedish, Danish. These are dialects. What are the difficulties with mutual intelligibility definition? There are degrees of mutual intelligibility. What is criterion? 100%, 90% or 50%? Okay. Asymmetries in intelligibility. Danish speakers find it easier to understand Swedish than vice versa. There are different types of dialect. Standard dialect, usually that used by political leaders, media, higher socio-economic classes. Standard perspectively correct. Some standard dialects of English, standard American English, that is SAE, receive pronunciation, that is RP pronunciation, that means in English of UK. Standard Vice versa, non-standard varieties of American English. Deletion of Y stops after nasals, standard and non-standard. For example, com, com, seen, seen, land. These are the nasal differences. Okay. Language variation. Language is varies by some factors. Factors are geography, that means region. Okay, that means as per region, language varies. That's called regional dialect. Then socio-economic. Socio-economic, that means socio-economic classes, structures. Okay, um, high class people speak Polish language than lower class people. Then gender, age. Okay, these are factors. Leo study is given here, which is done in 1972. Sax 63%, okay, casual and 64% speech. Then Mackey's 44% as a casual and careful speech is 61%. Then Klein 88% as a casual and careful speech is 18%. There are some interesting socio-semantic facts that should be of interest to you. I will discuss some of them. Actually, we are going to define relation between socio-linguistic and semantic pronouns and address terms. Japanese has many first and second pronouns, but when they are used, you have to be very careful. You usually avoid them. Okay, first, gender neutral. Watakeshi, watashi, mal, boko, aor, oira, oshi, female, atashi, ichi. Second, an, omi, kimi, kisma, san, kun, dan, kisma. Okay. Pronouns and addresses are third, care, Kaneus, she, and Anuhito, that person, Anuku, that child, that girl, Kea, he, and Konyojo, she were introduced only. That means in Japanese, in Chinese, in Swedish language, English is spoken differently. That means language is spoken differently in different area, that means in different region by different people. Okay, also language spoken by different class people is also different. That's called dialect. That means language is varies by person to person, region to region, and also class to class. Okay, thank you.